In this demo you will see how to modify the project card after review. Connect to your dashboard. Notice that on rejection, your project appears in the list of projects again. The status of your project is now modifications required. If the updates and results you submitted are rejected by the project officer, the reasons for modifications will be included in the notification and will be viewable in your project card. Click on the edit icon corresponding to the project card that has been rejected. Click on the Results tab. Modify, correct and improve your project card following the officer's comments. For example, your officer has asked you to include more information in the description field of an existing result. Click on the edit icon corresponding to the result you need to modify. Improve your description according to the instructions. Save your changes. Now, in order to let the officer review your changes again, click on the Save and Submit button. Connect again to your dashboard. The project should have disappeared from your dashboard and appeared in the officer's dashboard for validation. Once the officer has validated the changes, you will receive a formal notification of approval from the agency with which you signed the grant agreement. When the officer approves your final report and project card, the latter become public in the dissemination platform, and you will be able to see your updated project card with its results in the public page. Click on the hyperlink dissemination platform Erasmus+ located under Useful Links. Find your project by typing in the search bar the title or the project number, then click on Search. You can see the project results by clicking on the Results tab of your project card. This concludes this demo.